Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope everyone can hear me over my machine. I am going to make caramel popcorn tonight. Good day, good day, good day. I am back. So yes, we are doing caramel popcorn today. I added my brown sugar, a half a stick of butter. I'm going to use a whole stick of butter, but I'm going to add the other half a little later. 12 ounces of half and half. And caramel basic corn treat. I'm going to pour all that in. And start my machine once again. And I'm going to put a lid on that machine. But I want to thank everybody for joining in with me tonight. I really appreciate you guys. So, hey, if you want to take some notes or ask questions, feel free to ask questions. Because I will probably post this probably today or tomorrow on my YouTube or TikTok or something. We are making caramel popcorn, waiting for my machine to heat up. If you're having any struggles with making basic caramel or anything, feel free to ask me any questions. I use brown sugar instead of white sugar. I use butter. I use half and half instead of regular milk or water. And I use the basic caramel corn treat. Hey, how you doing from Mississippi, California? I appreciate you guys. Let me know where you chiming in from. But once again, I say like we're making caramel popcorn. Something simple, something quick. So, hey, just to let you know, if all the ones who don't know, I do have a class coming up November 4th and 5th. It'll be 2 classes on November 4th at 11 and one at 4. And on November 5th, I'll have a class at 6 o'clock. And also, if you want to, I'm doing a cheddar class without the machines. If you're ready, hey, I am available. The link is in my bio. I'll be doing a cheddar class without the machines because it was a request. So if you want to place an order for some cheddar, you can. It's an additional $20 for cheddar. And we can make popcorn together during that class. I store my popcorn in big, large containers. Some of them are 3, 5, or 10-gallon popcorn containers. I can just call them, I think they're just buckets, food grade buckets. And they stay fresh that way. So I'm going to open up my top. Be careful with that water. I pour it back in. And you see all the steam. Place my lid. And I'll take my other half of my butter and drop it in. And once it buzzes, I'll drop my popcorn in and get ready to pour it out to mix it up. My popcorn in. And I'm going to turn the heat off and turn the motor on. I also spray, I'll show you. I spray some Free and Easy on my popcorn. But I also tell people you can get a spray bottle of oil, because all it is just an oily base to help your popcorn not to stick. See, my popcorn went from regular popcorn and it has turned to caramel popcorn. And you don't have to let it turn as long. I'm going to dump it. And you want to mix it so it doesn't get stuck. Because if you don't mix it while it's hot, it will become dry in a big clump. Let me see. If I let it sit here for a moment, you'll see. Let me see. I'm going to let it sit for a moment so you guys can see and I can show you. I let it sit for a moment. You see, it's like a big clump. So if I don't continue to mix it, it will dry that way. See how that's a big clump there? One is here. So I gotta constantly move it because you don't want that. You know, I said I have a 5-gallon cooker, but once you put your popcorn in that hot cooker with all the hot candy and everything, your popcorn shrinks. So it's not really 5 gallons that you're making. It's probably about, I'll say 3.5 to 4 gallons. So there you have it. Caramel popcorn. Thank you guys. You have a great evening. Thanks for joining me.
Wanna go for some very nice treats. Shonda's edible delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have it all.